Mcenroe, and this is my IC. I'm from Singapore. So today I'll be talking about ECD Chemical Distribution Plan, which ECD stands for Elite Chemical Distributors. So the purpose of this speech is to ultimately have two goals. Number one is to secure funding from our investors, and number two is to share our plans to our potential strategic partners. So why this matters? Because ECD has already secured an exclusive contract with EAM, and currently, as for now, the APAC market is very underserved due to the growth of its specialty chemical. So ECD and EAM, we have come up with a scalable solution with a strong leadership and a ready plan. So with seed capital, this enable us to have our ERP inventory set up and also go-to-market hiring. So why do we have this plan or this ECD is currently we're trying to solve three issues. Number one is a lot of our current distributors and our end customer actually face delayed shipments and inconsistent quality. So the global partners is also lack of local presence into multiple APAC country. So local distributors and local players are struggling with inventory management and compliance. So with a hub or production near in APAC or existing in APAC in Malaysia, this allows us to have number one, shorter lead time, and number two, quality control within a nearby neighborhood country. Yeah. And EAM has already have license fully compliance with the local government. So our solution is number one, we will provide with EAM high priority chemicals. We will then work with different distributors or to set up regional warehouses for fast fulfillment and to replace fast enough. And number three, which is what we are most proud of, is EAM has a very customizable formulas for labs and for manufacturers. So this integrated ERP system allows for end-to-end supply and demand refilling, which increase a lot of the efficiency, which is currently lack in the global setup in APAC. So our product portfolio consists of four series. Number one is our EAM Purity, which is for EAM high priority chemicals, primarily into HPLC. Number two is our library series, which is mainly for lab grade detergent. And number three will be Glen series, which is for clean room chemicals, which is the largest growing sector in APAC. And number four is our custom solvent, tailored for R&D or for nanoparticles or something that is very specialized. So the market opportunity that we have analyzed for APAC chemical distribution market is around 90 billion just for solvents, chemicals, and products that is commonly used in APAC growing industry. And we are and is the fastest growing compared to even countries like US and Europe. And this is due to the rising demand of pharma sectors, electronics like TSMC, and is growing in Malaysia and Singapore and clean tech sectors. So these underserved SME lab and industrial clients are popping up every single month. So we are trying to tap into this untapped market and to provide our solutions to them. So our business model, we will be selling primarily B2B to lab, to university, and to distributors. So we do have two channels. Number one is our direct sales, and number two is our distributor channels. So they can customers can have a subscription basis with us for recurring deliveries, which we normally term as packet orders, or we can have value-added services or consultation for compliance support and formulation advisors. So our go-to-market strategy will be launched in Singapore, and we'll be going to Malaysia, Australia, and other APAC region. So our intention is to expand to Vietnam and Thailand by 2026, and we have digital outreach such as LinkedIn and technical webinars. And currently, EAM is also already present in multiple regional trade shows and have local support team for ERP powered support. So financial highlights is we're expecting to get a revenue of 150K for 2025, 400K in 2026, and 1.2 million in 2027. So we will break even by 2026. So our net income will be from negative 40K for 2025, and we will reach 160K in 3 years' time. So our marketing budget is around 60K for year one, and our capital requirement will be 180K. So our team currently consists of our CEO from EAM, which is our strategic leadership, CTO, which is from EAM, which will help a lot on consultation, advisors, formulation, and technical expertise. And then we have our local sales leaders in different impact region, and also our logistic and finance staff in Singapore. So I'll be managing the headquarters in Singapore itself. For investment wise, we are asking for 120 in seed funding, and our use of fund will primarily be used for our inventory to stock up our priority solvents, ERP system for our logistics, marketing, and team build up. So um, we have equity position and strategic input are all welcome, and this is primarily to transform the whole chemical access across the APAC region. And yep, this is my pitch for my ECD plan to APAC, which is already ongoing, and we already have received customer inquiries to collaborate and to have contract by 2026. Yep, thank you.